This place is very cold. He is bring water. There is a tea wall. Water is very cold. You can drink water. Hello bro, how are you? I mean she doesn't know about English, so he can't reply properly. What are you saying? Tell me. I can't understand your language. So why I am going to home? I didn't come few days, but I was a little busy. So I am here in the field right now. I am here with my old friend. They are talking. This is my small friend. This is boy is very boy. The boy is very well. So hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. My old friend is good right now. They are working because car is here on the road. They are working. They are making room right now. There is a head worker. Her name is Badol. Because I want to sleep 2 hours. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel.